gonna do some wheeling. Let's go. She's about to do pictures and I'm in the way, but I'm doing a YouTube intro so she can look at it. So we're here at Beasley Knob in Georgia, North Georgia. Got Recovery 1 and Scout out here. Beautiful, overcast, chilly. What do you think, like 55 degrees?
Yeah, about.
Yeah. It's chilly. Why did we leave our 70-degree weather in Missouri to come down to Georgia and play in the mountains in 50 degrees? It doesn't make any sense. So we're about to go ahead and tackle Beasley Knob Jeep Trail Badge OHV area. In order to come out here, you either need to sign into the park ranger station and pay for your day pass or get an annual pass, or you could do it online. We did it online at McDonald's down the street. Took us what, 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's not that bad. $5 for a day on the trail, not too bad. Come along for the ride.
We had nice weather with Moab, so
yeah. Yeah. Speaking of Moab, got my Moab shirt, hoodie on. All right, we're burning daylight. Let's go. Enjoy the ride, guys. Recommended. Very clean, very easy. Supposedly 93B is kind of like a Hellion type part of the trail system, but we'll probably go check that out later. It did rain and everyone says, oh, you have to winch up of it, you have to winch up it, you need 38s and a winch. We'll see. I'll be the judge of that. Well, other than that, this is a beautiful drive just through the mountaintop here. See what if we can find any cool like vistas or overlooks or outlooks or inlooks or I don't know, something. We'll find something.
you can winch yourself over that one mount.
You're good. You're caked.
Oh, I know. No way around it.
Nope. Gotta love that Georgia clay.
It's way better than going down the other side. There's rocks here to stop me.
That's good to hear. Seems like you can just kind of control the slide.
Yeah, there's a lot more control on this side. Going down the other side was like once you lock up, you're at the bottom.
Steady pedal, steady pedal, steady pedal.
I mean, you will reach the bottom.
Whether it's the way I want to or not.
Yeah, just keep it nice and easy. Once you start sliding, like, you just kind of like let it happen. You're not going to go for left or right. You're just going to slide forward a little bit.
So braking now?
Yeah.
No full send?
A little slower. Crawl, crawl. You're doing good. Nice and slow. You're good. You're not gonna go far. I almost just died. We'll go through the trees. Woof.
Yeah, that slide wasn't even that bad.
Yeah, this one isn't that bad. Although I've almost ate it a few times trying to follow you.
Our tires are better at mud than we are.
That's for sure.
Getting hot.
Yeah, it's getting a little muggy. All right, I'm at the bottom. I'd say that's successful. I'd say that's successful.
Yeah, we made it.
We made it. We didn't die. So we're heading back out of Beasley Knob OHV area. We didn't really get to do as much as we wanted to do. Oh, camera's falling over. Didn't really get to do as much as we wanted to do. It is way slick out here. We're not used to the Georgia clay. There's a video that Teresa took on her phone of me coming up a hill that I slid down, and it was pretty, I would say intense, but it was a lot of fun too. So we had to do a recovery real quick on recovery 1. And yeah, we're back up on the gravel trail of 93. And we're heading on out of here. So we got places to be, people to see. We're gonna go check out some cool waterfalls a little bit further down the road. And then we're heading to Jeep Beach Week in Florida. So look forward to that. I don't know if that's gonna be its own video or if we're gonna just add it onto this. I'll see how much I got recorded. If not, I'll see you guys down there. Peace. You gotta put them to work.
I elected to do this.
You air up them tires, woman. I put the sway bars back on. Actually, she did hers this time. I took your sway bars off.
Yeah, I put them on myself.
All right, I'm useless. I'm going home. She didn't put my caps back on. Unbelievable. We saw hers up too.